Hey everyone, it's me Sid, the one and only guy from these videos, and what I'm gonna do is something different. But one thing I've always noticed is that calculators, and what about them? Well, they're cool to say the least. But many of them may be wondering, or been hearing at least, about a very new type of calculator. Now, growing up, if you take algebra, you probably end up getting one of these in your higher level math courses. This is a very standard basic TI-84 plus CE calculator, um, and it's pretty cool. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright, so here it is. This is exactly what the TI-84 plus CE graphing calculator looks like, and I can go ahead and show it to y'all. Let's find a good place for me to show it to y'all. There, make space. So this is it, the TI-84 plus CE graphing calculator. Go ahead and turn it on. Boom, looks just like that. I've been doing some calculations with this, but if you go ahead and hit second, let me zoom in a bit. And show all the keys plus 712. Resets everything just like that. Fast, beautiful, straight to the point. This is perfect. But have you all been hearing there's a new calculator in here? I've got here right here in front of me none other than the TI-84, the TI-nspire CX2 CAS calculator. You know, the Inspires, I've been hearing them everywhere, so I had to order one, test it on myself, so I ordered a brand new one to see what the heck, all this hype is about. It looks definitely interesting. I'm definitely going to go ahead and play around with this a little bit, and then we're going to see which one is actually better, and better for which kind of person. The cool looking TI-nspire, or the plain old simple TI-84 plus CE, the Reliant one, the one that has everything, will always be there for me, or this one. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and we can check it out. Alright, sounds good with y'all? Sounds good with me? Let's get testing. Alright, before I want to get testing this, I wanted to unbox this really quickly. As you can see, the calculator is still there, but notice how it says, the TI-nspire. Wait, let me actually zoom in a little bit. Okay, there we go. TI-nspire CAS 2, and it has all this stuff with it. Just wanted to show it to y'all. Make this unboxing video as well. Comes with a manual, so that looks pretty cool. And of course, the charger cable right over here. I think it came with some other piece that I just had to remove, because this whole thing was tied up. But if you take this out of the box, then of course we get an instruction manual. Because it's a calculator, and I might leave the Amazon link in the description below in case you guys are interested. Of course, right over here we got some basic stuff about the software and the installation. If you want to use that, I guess, but we'll look at that a bit later. Of course, resources are available right over here. More resources in Espanol, and that's pretty much that. And the instructions in Espanol and the English. Looks pretty interesting. I'm in calculus, so I know what this means. Or if you're in pre-cal, you might also know what this means. It's sigma notation 7 equals 3n. Fun fact, I just had a test over something similar to this. Well, not today, but I think yesterday. But anyway, this looks really cool. A lot of stuff from Inspire, of course. Inspire is a great company to make beautiful calculators. Of course, Texas Instruments produces some of the best calculators out there. Texas Instruments is pretty good. HP is pretty good. So I'd say these two are some of the better companies at producing calculators. So the TI-nspire is like the TI-84, but it's not an 84. It's an Inspire, which is a separate version, which has been getting a lot of traction. So probably gonna unbox this the best way, but oh well, because I gotta deal with all of this. Oh my gosh. Okay, just comes off like this. Oh. Feel that shell, feel it if you buy one. Feel it. It actually feels pretty good, There's just, this is actually heavier than I thought it would be. I'm gonna get this calculator out of here. Maybe if I use a little bit of gravity, which is something I'm learning right now because I'm in physics. Voila. Is this thing dead? Okay. If I'm being honest, okay, as far as weight goes, without, is the case here? I think the case is on this, hold up. let me take the case off this or this part. I want to just compare, weight is to weight, with like nothing on it. Here, let me find a way if I can keep my phone on a stand. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Oh well, guess we'll have to do this the old school way. Cool. Yeah, that's not working out. Oh well, let's just do this. Boom. Okay, now we can compare the weight much easier. This is a heavy case, y'all. Where's the case for this? Okay, comparing cases to cases, because why not? This is definitely light. The TI-84 plus CE case, this is light. This is like a feather. This is an actual big weight. I don't know if some of you guys have the normal TI-84s, which are black, but the plus CE is better. When getting a plus CE, it may cost more. Actually, no. I think these are cheaper, actually, and better because, if you're graphing, you can change the colors, and you can install apps and programs and just do so much with this. Of course, they come in different colors. Obviously, I got the blue one because it's my favorite color. Who doesn't like blue? A lot of people choose white. White's a good color, but I find this to be pretty good. Now, of course, I need to get another blue and black calculator because these colors go really well. Come on, it's blue, my favorite color. But comparing the cases, obviously this one is lighter. Comparing the calculator itself, I like it. It's a little heavier, I think, but the design is pretty sleek, and I like this. So design points, let me go to this one. But look at this, look at this. So much stuff. The letters, the numbers. One of my friends said this calculator is complicated. Whereas this one, as far as the buttons go, it's more simple. The way you see it, once you get used to it, at least. Let me be honest with y'all. When I first bought this, I had absolutely no idea what this is gonna be like. If I'm being 100% honest, like, do they need to replace the batteries? Like, how exactly does this thing need to charge? I think I lost the charger, but I think I found something else which charges this perfectly. So, oh well. But hey, I got a new charger which come with this, and these two colors probably share the same charger because this charger port. Okay, this is interesting. So the Inspire actually has its charging port over here. What the heck is this? Is this a port? No way. There's an interesting port over there. I knew this mouse thing is here. I've seen this mouse thing. I know my AP Physics 1 teacher has the Inspire calculator, so I've seen this before. I never used them. I use the 84s because I know how to use them. But this is definitely seeming interesting. I really want to get my hands on this. Versus this one is a pretty simple design. Once you get used to it, you got sign and out or second and alpha to, or you can call it alpha to change these things up and make it work as how you want it. You can really see it's dirty because I use literally all the time, even when I'm not doing math. This is with me. This, however, okay, looks pretty cool. Obviously brand new since I haven't done anything. I don't want to get my hands dirty with this. However, this feels pretty good. Like, I like it. There's a lot of stuff into this. You can clearly tell a lot of hard work was put into this one. This is like clearly almost a $200 calculator, I think, or like 150 somewhere in there. The prices can definitely vary. This is a bit cheaper, still pretty good, but hey, you gotta see where the demand is going. Can I even turn this thing on? Okay, so the on button is actually here. It's interesting. Okay, you guys. It's powering on. It's powering on. I'm super duper excited. What the heck is this? No, seriously, y'all. What? Okay. Wait, I actually have to set this thing up. Choose your language. Well, clearly it's English. How the heck do I even do this, y'all? How the heck do I do this? Okay. Choose your language. Tap to select OK, or you can click OK. We just click on the mouse. Oh, no way. Okay, English. Okay, tap to select OK. Where the heck is the tab button? Oh, right here. Tap to select OK. English is good with me. Wait, I want to see what are the language variations. So, of course, it's probably just the basic ones. Yeah, English is the only one that I know on this. Okay, English it is. Not UK. We'll go with the US version. Though I don't expect any difference. Okay. Tap just like OK. Tab. Select OK. Then mouse. Click OK. Okay. That's how it works. Choose font size. Well, I clearly want a bigger font size, but let's see. Small, medium, or large. If we're comparing this, honestly, I don't know. I clearly like a large font size, so we'll go with that. Larger the better. Okay, welcome. The next screen is the home for the TI-nspire CX2 CAS handheld. Here you can add applications to your documents. Interesting. The center of the touchpad can now be used to select or grab. Click to select OK now. Alright. Oh my gosh, y'all. This looks... Wait, is this touch? Okay. Like, there's no way this is a touch screen. Like, feel it. It's fine. I have a Mac. I don't need touch screen. No, I don't miss y'all. But this is cool. This is clearly cool. Like, if you turn this thing on, sure. Why is it opening up my window? Maybe I just click the window button. Anyway, this is clearly cool, but there's nothing appealing to this unless you start doing stuff. But hey, I'm not complaining. I cannot complain. This calculator, y'all don't realize, has saved my life so many times, and I'm still not even to fully fathom the full potential that this calculator has. Okay, because what's it? This calculator knew so much I still can't fathom. Charges just like this. Like you see, full charge. I just charged this a little sooner so I could have it ready for this video. This one, okay, I can clearly see this one isn't full charge. I understand why, but it's good. And the appeal and the home screen is way more appealing. So appealing points, it's definitely going to the CAS, the Inspire. I think CAS just stands for like Computer Access System or something. No, let me say what it stands for on this, on the back of this. You remember correctly? I said it somewhere. Oh, okay. It stands for advanced. It's something. But hey, colors, the vividness, the images, like everything I need, everything I want to see is here. And it has a mouse, y'all. What does it mean there's a mouse? Ain't no way. This has a mouse. Okay, I can't complain. Mouse is alright. It's alright. But still, just the fact that this is already appealing is interesting. If you want an appealing calculator, go for this. I literally mean go for this, okay? I literally am having so much fun dealing with this calculator. This one is nice, but I want to see which one should I use and when. So I still need to figure that out. However, personally, still this one, but I want to see what this one can offer me. Let's go and click on the calculate button because I don't want to upload any documents. But the fact that I can do that is nonetheless interesting. Okay, let's click on calculate. Okay, so we got the scratch pad right over here. So this is kind of like this, the home screen, except it only appears one way. And the cursor, like here, you get the black bar kind of cursor, you could say, versus this, you get a normal like computer, like if you're typing something, and then the cursor is just waiting. So clearly, you can see it's more appealing that way, but it's not that appealing. Okay, this clearly isn't touch, but you can use the mouse, and then you can switch between the graph and what you're typing in. Let's go and type some equations. 4 plus 2 equals, oh, you all can't see. So I'm saying 4 plus 2. Why don't you do 4 plus 2? Or let's just say 4 plus 2 equals, and then hit enter. Okay, so obviously I shouldn't do 4 plus 2 equals. I should just say, what does it equal? Okay, now we gotta figure out, how do I clear something? Do I just hit the escape key? Never mind. Okay, this is literally a computer, but a calculator. Literally, best way to describe it. How the heck do I clear this? Still figuring this out, y'all. Still figuring this out. Maybe I can use... What should I use? Hold up. Okay. It tells me that I'm in radian mode, which I guess is good to know. And the charge, which is not a lot. I probably should charge this after I'm done with this video. Let's see. This is the full layout of the keyboard. A couple symbols here that I'm just like, what the heck? Should I press control? Control ain't doing anything. Alright. What's it? 4 plus 2.0. Okay. Oh, it's literally a computer. So I'm gonna do the old school way. Control Z. No way, y'all. Control Z. This is literally a Windows computer, a calculator. Enter. 6. Y'all, I'm in shock. I'm like, okay, few complaints. Make this bigger. Like, these are way too small versus this. I like bigger buttons because it just feels better. This is fine. I can deal with this. But these letters are way too small and way too far away because I feel like this is literally 100% y'all a computer calculator. That's all this is. You know, like both the computing power of calculators. But this is more like built to look like a calculator of a computer. Yeah, y'all. You see what I'm saying? Um, these letters are a bit small. Like you guys don't realize I can only put like one finger on this. Versus this, maybe I can. Okay, never mind. This is also one finger, but it feels better because there's enough space for my fingers. Versus this, y'all. Okay, is it just me or is it actually making objects seem bigger than they actually are? Let me zoom in a bit. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now I can kind of figure out. This is really small, y'all. Like it's literally like 1 gram. Like I don't know if we're comparing weights, but still pretty cool. You can clearly do a lot. Well, this is just some basic math. I want to do. Okay. Why am I feeling bad now? I literally just found the cleared button, y'all. Control delete. Control delete, y'all. Control delete. This is actually cool. This is actually cool. This is actually cool. Can I not go up to my previous calculation? I can literally just delete that and boom, it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna have to play around with this more, but this is really, really cool. Buy it if you want. I've really shown you everything, but I might come back and make a part 2 to this video and see more stuff that I can do with this. I'm definitely gonna be playing around with this more, y'all. So definitely, I'll make a part 2 with this. Next video, though, definitely will be, I'm going to finish up that SAT math practice test number 10. I only did the first 13 because I just don't want to spend too much time doing math problems because I wanted, you guys to understand them first and then move on to the second half because the second half problems are, mark my words, y'all, more challenging. Those are the challenging questions, okay? The ones we did, those are the easy peasies. The first 13 questions are easy. From 13 to 20 is where the difficulty increases a little bit. Well, no, we did the first 13, so 14 to 20. So we have 14 through 20 questions. Okay, not too bad. We can also do them. So that's like 7 questions. Oh yeah, not too bad. I'll try to do them soon, not within the time period. Anyway, thank you all for watching. However, I want to do a test between these two calculators. I want to see which one can give me a better answer and which one is more precise and which one is more accurate. So let's go ahead and type something in this calculator. Let's do 2.66 times, or no. They're probably both going to be accurate. Who am I kidding? These are literally computers. Calculator computers. So I can't complain. Can't complain. What about pi? If I type in pi here, I get this value. I'll come back to that in a minute. If I type in pi here, then I get, how do I even type in pi? Oh, literally pi is just right here. Like, with the click of a button. Oh, so that's how it works. And then I hit the enter key. That's how what pi is. I want the value of pi. Oh, so y'all, so this literally means if I want to know what pi is, let's say I do pi. Pi plus 0 is pi. So I think one thing that this calculator is doing for some reason is it's not rounding my values of pi. It's just telling me the value when I type in pi. I'm definitely going to figure that out. I think it knows that, okay, let's say if I do, let's make it a bit differently. Pi plus 2. What do I get? Okay, so literally just gives me pi plus 2. But that's not what I want. I want pi as an actual value. What does this trig do? So if you click on the trig, I think you get all the trig buttons. That's cool. I'll get out of that and delete that. Control delete. Boom. It is gone. Not too bad. What does this document button do? Okay. Let me escape. Escape. Okay. I want to see what these things are. Okay. Escape that. Escape. What's the button? Delete? No, that's not it. Tab. That's not it either. Escape. It's literally a computer. Escape. Escape. Or escape. Okay, 40 seconds. Let's click on number 2. There, escape, escape. Let's go back here. Okay, so this will take me back to the main page. Yeah, definitely some playing around. Let's want to store something under this calculator. Let's figure that out. Probably need to make a part 2, y'all, once I know a lot more about this calculator. But definitely seems interesting. Yeah. Oh, I think why I keep thinking this is touchscreen. If I come over here, I should be able to graph equations. Let's say y equals x plus 2. How to make a bloody variable with this calculator? No need. Just type it in. X plus 2. Enter. Boom. Graphed. And if I... Okay. There's this. Interesting, interesting. Definitely a lot more stuff there. Definitely need to learn more. Definitely need to learn more. But I'll update y'all with the video soon. But this seems interesting. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, of course, as always. I'll see you guys. When will I see you guys? That's a very interesting question.